Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's home cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Apam Balik, which is pronounced in English turnover pancake or Malaysian peanut pancake, or in Hokkien we call it Jian Kuih, which is one of the street food in Malaysia. It's a very famous street food where you can find it at hawker center or in any of the hawker street food in the street in different part of Malaysia that sells them. You can have them in two different versions, either the thick version or the thin version. We're going to cook today the thin crispy version, which is a favorite of my family. So we have here in front of us 440 grams of all-purpose flour, about 100 grams of custard sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of dry instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 whole eggs, 620 ml of room temperature water, and then for the fillings we have here 500 grams of roasted peanut, some of the corn, sweet corn, cream style sweet corn, custard sugar and butter. Cut them into little cubes that we're going to put on top as we cook them. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to sieve the flour. So after sieving the flour, we're going to add in the yeast and the sugar and the baking soda, and we're just going to whisk it. And then I'm going to add in the egg. So just beat the egg. Add it in. Going to add in the water gradually. I'm going to beat until the batter is all mixed in and smooth. Okay, then I'm going to cover them and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So now the batter is ready, we're going to start frying the pancake. So we're going to heat up the pan, and I'm just going to put a little bit of butter just to grease the pan lightly. We need the pan to be really hot before we put the batter in. Just checking if it's ready. Just try and see whether it's ready. So it's ready. I'm going to put about 3 spoons. And just turn it around. So just cover them for about 20 seconds. Now it's all bubbly. Add in the sugar. Peanuts. Corn. And butter. And just gonna turn it over. And cover for about 20 seconds. Okay, so it's all ready. This nice lovely pancake. So you serve them hot. So here's our Apam Balik Malaysian peanut pancake. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.